What's going on, money lovers? Welcome back. Got some very exciting price movement here on Voyager Digital stock, which is finally starting to take off. It looks like up nearly 20% to $12.27 on the back of this new deal that was announced in which Voyager Digital will be the crypto brokerage partner for the Dallas Mavericks. Now, there's a lot to unpack here, so let's get right into it. If you enjoyed the video today, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop me a comment below if you have any questions. So Voyager Digital is set to report earnings tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. and we'll be covering it on the channel here, so stay tuned if you want to hear how that goes. Subscribe. So Voyager's really been struggling. It's actually been going down quite a bit, getting to as low as $8.90 or so at one point, but people are finally starting to realize the potential with this company here. So this partnership with the Dallas Mavericks brings many benefits that we're going to go over. If we look here, of all the NBA teams, the Dallas Mavericks are the 9th most valuable franchise. So they're worth $2.45 billion, owned by Mark Cuban. This brings in a huge new audience and potential customers. And if we just go to Mark Cuban's Twitter feed here, you can see what he just retweeted here. Fans who download the Voyager app and create an account with the promo code MAVS100, deposit $100 and make one trade, can receive $100 in free Bitcoin for the next 48 hours. So this is going to bring a lot of new people into the Voyager ecosystem. This is all great stuff. It's really going to help out Voyager Digital. So Mark Cuban brings his 8.5 million Twitter followers. He's obviously very well connected. This is going to make other people with a lot of money to invest start to seriously take a look at Voyager Digital, as well as open the door to millions of potential customers. So the deal with the Dallas Mavericks aims to make crypto more accessible through fan engagement and other educational programs. This is central to Voyager's mission. They want to make cryptocurrency simple and accessible to everyone. Voyager would become the first Mavs cryptocurrency brokerage and international partner in a 5-year deal. This partnership gives us the opportunity to educate people all over the world on ways to use crypto in their everyday lives, said Voyager CEO Steve Ehrlich, and this is something central to Voyager's mission. They want to educate around crypto and make it accessible to everyone. We want to help people learn alternative ways to grow their wealth, to achieve true financial freedom, and build intergenerational wealth through crypto. We found a great partner to do this with the Mavs and their owner Mark Cuban, who is already deeply involved in the space. So as you probably already know, Mark Cuban has not shied away from crypto. You can see it right in his bio here. He's talking about NFTs. He's very involved in the crypto community and will really help Voyager out a lot here, I think. So their basketball franchise was one of the first to accept crypto payments from tickets and merchandise. They accept Bitcoin and Dogecoin. And really quick, we just compare, Voyager Digital, the opportunity here. The market cap is only 2.4 billion Canadian, so a little bit under $2 billion in USD, compared to Coinbase, which has a market cap of 68 billion. Voyager is a very small company. It's got a lot of room to grow here. And then when you tie that to what's happening, what we just saw with Robinhood, their earnings missed big time, and their crypto trading was down tremendously. I think their crypto revenue dropped from something like 233 million all the way down to 55 million. So we'll see if Voyager Digital follows a similar path with their earnings tomorrow. I wouldn't be surprised if crypto trading was down for them as well. But you just look at a company like Robinhood, they're just plagued with controversies and all these scandals and issues. Trust has really been lost there. So I think that this is a perfect opportunity for Voyager to swoop in, swallow up a lot of market share. And, now with Mark Cuban and Dallas Mavericks deal, Mark Cuban's obviously going to be talking about it, getting many people getting their eyes on Voyager, bringing a lot of new customers and bringing a lot of new investors into Voyager stock. So I think we're in for an exciting few months here. We'll see what happens. Stay tuned to see how the story develops. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. They also mentioned during the announcement, there was an interview between Mark Cuban and Steve Ehrlich, CEO of Voyager, which I'll link in the description below. Mark Cuban asked Steve if they would ever get into NFTs, and he said yes, they do plan to get into NFTs and offer that soon. So there's a lot to be excited for here. Voyager is really just in its infancy, and I'm excited for what the future holds here. So if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, drop me a comment below. This is Vinny from the Investment Club, and I'll see you next time.